Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. We already started section B game part and we were covering first game cricket. And in cricket, today we have a new topic, terminologies. As you know, the terminologies, the first is over. In over, there is 6 ball series. After 6 balls, the another bowler to ball. Dead ball, when the ball is in the hands of the bowler after throw, there is a situations, there is many times when the ball become dead. For example, when the ball pass the boundary line, when the ball goes to the audience side, that time also ball become dead. No ball, white ball, by, leg by, these all are extra runs given to the team. Appeal, it is the request or shot by the fielding players. When there is chance to get the batsman out, all the players and bowler make an appeal in front of the umpire, and according umpire gives his decision, maybe not out, maybe out. Bouncer, when the bowler bowls the ball fast and short as it raise above the shoulder level after pitching. After getting bounce, if the ball raise up to the shoulder level, that is called bouncer. Yorker, when the ball just bounced under the bat. It is very difficult to play to the batsman. Maiden over, when there is no runs. Duck, when the batsman out, 0 run. Century, when the batsman hit 100 runs. How's that? An appeal. Both are same. Declaration, it is the process in test match when the captain feels sufficient runs they have made and they declare his inning and ask to another team to bat. Bodyline bowling, this is a negative bowling. The main objective of the bowler to hit the batsman. Next we see overthrow, stance, toss, Chinaman. All the terminology is very easy to understand. For example, stance, it is the position of the batsman. It is the posture of the batsman when he face the ball. Then runner, when the batsman get injured, he is not able to run, then there is an arrangement of one runner. Runner can only run, he doesn't go for bat. Hat trick, when the bowler gets 3 wickets in continuously 3 balls. Follow on this process in the test match. Sweep shot, reverse sweep, this is fundamental skills. Ball tampering, it is intentionally damage of the ball. When the bowler wants to get extra advantage, he tries to damage the ball. It is not allowed in the cricket and there is punishment also. Googly, it's a fundamental skill of the spin bowling. Onside, this is a fielding positions. Dot ball, when there is no run. Lofted hit, full toss, boundary for 6, substitute. All the terminology is very easy to understand. Power play, pitch, drive, danger area, hook shot, pull shot, square cut. If we talk about danger area, this area it's very difficult to manage by the fielder because this area is very close to the batsman. Sometimes batsman hit the ball very hard. If the fielder is not active, it's not aware, he may injured. See, that area is very danger for the fielding side. Hook shot, pull shot, square cut, and these all are fundamental skills of the batting. Bad light, this is during when the weather is not clear, batsman feels difficulty to see the ball and there is discussion between the umpire, and according to the condition umpire gives bad light, means the match stops. Then side screen, it is a specified white or colored screen kept behind the stumps. When there is a third umpire decision, that decision shows in this side screen. Ball dead, 30-yard circle, Lewis Douglas formula. In this formula, what happened? When the second batting comes, the rain starts. That time, the revised target given to the team, that is called Lewis Douglas formula. Bum ball, short run, outfields, Run up. Run up, it is the approach area. When there is a fast paced bowling, the bowler takes his steps and from where he start running, that is called the run up. Then bails off, cover drive, straight drive, cut, glance, in swing, these all are fundamental skills of the batting. In swing, this is the fundamental skills of pace bowling. Then outspin, off spin, this is a fundamental skill of the spin bowling. Leg spin, dead rubber. Dead rubber, it means when we come to know the result of the series. For example, if there is 3-match series, if the 2 match already won by the team, the 3rd match is a dead rubber, means we already know who is the winner of the series. Seam bowling, golden duck, night watchman, tail enders. Tail enders means the end batsmen, means after 6 down, after 7 number, their 6 number, those batsmen comes, that all are called tail ender, means tail of the team. Nick, any defeat, uppercut, late cut, leg glance, flick shot, these all are fundamental skills. Wimmer, it is type of no ball when balls directly comes to the waist level. Off cutter, leg cutter, these all are fundamental skills by the bowler. Short pitched, full length delivery, these all are fundamental skills of the bowling side. Duty of the umpire, there is 2 umpire available on the ground. One is straight umpire, one is leg umpire, and one is third umpire who is sitting inside the room. The straight umpire's duties is different and leg umpire's duty also different. For example, straight umpire, he gives the LBW, clean bowled, catch out, caught behind, and the leg umpire gives stumped out, second bouncer, or maybe third bouncer, power play, signals, position of the players, all these signals given by the leg umpire. Then duty of the scorer. The scorer is someone appointed to record all the runs, means batting all the runs, like extra runs also, he calculate all the runs. Duties of the captain, there are so many duties of the captains, like declaration, toss, fielding positions, all these things captain performs duties during the match. If we talk about fundamental skills, there is batting skills, bowling skills and fielding skills. In batting skills, on drive, off drive, square cut, leg glance, so many fundamental skills are there. Fielding, close catching, catching in the outfield, long barrier, slip catching, all fundamental skills by the fielding side. Bowling, if we talk about fast bowling, in swing, outswing, yorker. If we talk about spin bowling, off break, leg break, googly, all these are the fundamental skills of the bowling side. Then we have wicket keeping skills, front work, catching the ball, diving, controlling the ball, all these activities performed by the wicket keeper. Batting stance, front foot defense, back foot defense, all these are fundamental skills of the batting side. Then important personalities and awards. Then we have important trophies, tournament or championship, important venues, and few question and answer. We will continue in my next video. Till the time, thank you, take care.